Giving a Volkswagen a tune-up is one of the easier jobs you're ever going to do. It's the easiest tune-up I've ever done. I'm changing the spark plugs on my daughter's 2016 Volkswagen Tiguan, the 4-cylinder, and this job shouldn't take me 15 minutes. Simply pop the hood, pop the plastic cover, and you see the ignition coils right there. You depress the clips, the wire harness, detach them from the ignition coils, and then you pop the ignition coils out. Take a 5/8 spark plug tool, spark plug socket, put it in there, take them out, inspect them, do it in reverse. It shouldn't take 10, 15 minutes. Let's get started. In order to take the cover off, you just lift up. It has 4 little pins that connect. Pop that off. Set that out the way, and bam, there's the ignition coils. Shouldn't take 10 minutes. The reason why I'm doing this is 2 reasons. One, my daughter has her check engine light on and it says P0300, which is the worst check engine light ever. And it also says P304 and 302. So that lets me know that there's something wrong with cylinder 2 and cylinder 4. So hopefully it's the spark plugs. And she has 100,000 miles, so it's time to change the spark plugs anyway. I'm using a screwdriver to just gently push the little clip back. And then once you do that, you simply just push it out of the way. I mean, look at that. That's just how easy it was to get the harness out of the way. And now you're going to pull up each ignition coil. Sometimes you could pull them up. You might need a large screwdriver or a crowbar, but let's see. I mean, I'm able to just pull that up. The good thing about doing this yourself, I see a little bit of oil right here. So I'll go ahead and keep a note of that. Looks good. So after pulling all of them up, they all look pretty similar. Again, in order to pull the spark plugs out, I have a spark plug puller socket, 5/8 with my extension. All right, this one has a little bit of oil on it. This was number 1, so I'll pull all of them out and take a look at them next to each other. And number 4 has the most oil. I'm looking down where the spark plugs go to see if there's anything out of the normal. And number 4, there's a little bit of oil in there. Hopefully that's what was causing my issue. There's all 4 of them. This is number 1, 2, 3, and then this is 4. So it was due. They were due. The benefit of changing the plugs is I'm going to rule that out, and plus I put the ignition coils in the same spot, so I'm going to switch number 2 with 1 and 3 with 4. So if the check engine light come on and it says, oh, now it's cylinder 301 and 303, then I know it's just the ignition coils. The spark plug that I'm choosing to go back in is Bosch. These are the Bosch Platinums. These are the Bosch Platinums. The benefit of these things they come pre-gapped. But I check them anyway. I check each one. This is why you want to use a spark plug socket, because it has a little grommet, little rubber plug in there, and it keeps the socket, the spark plug, from just dropping down. I hand tighten all the way. I hand tighten, and then once the rest, and then when I have them all in there, I come back and tighten down the specs and then put them. Just to let you know, here's the ignition coil. Here's the spark plug. This is how they go. They interact in the engine. It's a rubber connector, and it slides in and it holds it very tight. That's how that looks. Now, I've been doing this for years, so I have a good feel on how tight you have to tighten the spark plugs. But if you have any doubts, just get a torque wrench and tighten it down to specs. So this was number 2. I'm going to put it back at number 1. And you just push them down in there very hard, and that's all you do. Once you have them in there and you think they're in deep enough, you just put the harness back on, line them all up before you click up anyone. Click, 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 click. And then you put the little decorative cover back on. Obviously, you're going to test your work to see if the car starts. It's just that easy. Even me recording, that didn't take 20 minutes and I was recording. So this is a very fast, easy, simple, and important maintenance for you to do. It gets the car running better. Changing the spark plugs or a tune-up improves the idling, improves the power. You could maybe use less gas, but it's just a great overall maintenance. In order to keep your car running, you need oxygen, you need spark, and you need fuel. We just addressed the spark. So, if you have any questions, feel free to hit me up. As always, I appreciate you guys. Have a blessed day. Change your spark plugs.